Hi traders, this is Kriska and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below to get the latest updates whenever I release new videos containing my trades for cryptocurrencies, gold, and forex, utilizing Pipinit tools. So let's look at our charts for GBP USD under 4-hour time frame. So this would be our market outlook. You would see that this was the initial break of the trend line before the price has went back into creating a new high, continuing the uptrend by creating consistent highs and lows. So higher high and higher low. So that was the trend that has been going on ever since. So after that, this trend has been broken by this red candle right here on a 4-hour chart last June. So what happened is price right now is consistently making new lows and lower high. So the last time that it created lower low was around July 20. And the low that it has created is at 135,695. So it's near the round number 135,500. And as you can see, there was a reaction right here. And if you're going to investigate further, that this has been a support that was touched for the first time after it has returned at this level. So what was this? Since April. So when July comes, so it went right there and then immediately prices went back in. But as you can see that there's nothing yet a clear break in terms of if there is a new trend that has been brewing, because for one, as you can see right here that um, if we will see weakness in smaller time frame, then therefore this attempt to go to this trend line right here that we have drawn after putting in uh, the line charts, as we can see that this could be an attempt where it wants to make a retracement. So therefore, we will just have to wait in smaller time frame, particularly in 15-minute time frame. So we will wait for a trend row to turn red, and it's already red and there has been a breakout edge signal. So tomorrow when the market opens, we can immediately try to enter to the downside. But if we're going to draw a trend line, there's no weakness yet for this forward advance. So this would mean that it can still move further. And as for the attempt to make new lows, there's an attempt to make new low, but it was not yet followed by a new lower low. So there's no indication yet that there's a weakness in this forward advance. So therefore we will have to wait for another opportunity of breakout edge to happen as soon as we see weakness in smaller time frame, particularly in M15, right? So next is we're going to look at our charts for Bitcoin USD under 4-hour time frame. So this has been going on. Markets has been bouncing off 30,000, 40,000 ever since May. So what happens right now is currently the price is at 34,000. Therefore, the obviously it would want to go to 35,000. And then if this level has been broken and this continuously makes new highs and higher low, so what happens next is it would want to continue the trend until it reaches its ultimate top of the channel, which is 40,000. So by then, what are we going to do is in 15-minute time frame, we'll be looking for opportunities to buy so that we would want to trade until it reaches the top. But in 15-minute time frame, we could see right here. So this was the trend line that has formed from these upward advance of the market. So let's see right here. For right now, it has broken this small trend line. So we would wait for weakness on this trendline break. So this could mean that there would be a retracement after this break, and then it will continue to the downside. Or after its retracement, after we see a weakness on this forming new lows and lower low, higher low. So what will happen is we will wait for opportunity where there will be weakness, and we will also wait for breakout edge signal and green trend for or upward trend from trend pro, so that we could enter to the upside targeting 35,000 respectively, right? So let's look at our charts for USD yen. So as we can see that looking at 4-hour charts, so this has been the break of your trend line right here. We're going to look at it in candlestick pattern. Let's see how it was broken. So this was the candle that broke this trend line. So after the break, it made a retracement right here. After the break right here, so it made a retracement before it proceeded to the downside. And then after that, price has attempted to retrace, and then instead of making new highs or proceeding on what it has been doing in the past, what it did is it was contained in a trend line and finally creating a new lower low. So as you can see, that this trend line, these two lows, after that it was broken by a very strong candle right here in 4-hour time frame. So what does it mean? So you see right here there was a test, but then immediately you would see that there was a trend continuation, which is uptrend, so they will want to continue the uptrend. So what we're going to do is in 15-minute time frame, we're going to look for opportunities to buy. So as soon as we saw weakness right here, so this was an upward advance. So we will have to wait for a shallow retracement or deep retracement right here so that we will be able to participate in the upside of the market. So we would want to set our targets on the top right here, which is 111. So that is from current price right now, that is around 1,000 points. So we would have to enter the markets and set our targets right here. So we will wait whether this high right here will be broken or not, but definitely if we will be entering earlier, then 1,000 points is already a decent amount of numbers for our profits, right? So that will be it. If you want to get a copy of Breakout Edge and Trend Pro, all you have to do is look at the description link below so that you will be directed to the links on how you're going to purchase these two powerful indicators. Also, if you want to experience fast execution, tight spreads, and cryptocurrency trading, even over the weekend, all you have to do is subscribe with our broker, which is RoboForex, and they're giving out a welcome bonus of $30 if you sign up with them today. And also, please check the description below so that you will be directed to the link on how you're going to join our Pipinit Telegram channel, where all traders would share their insights in terms of Pipinit trading. Alright, so see you again tomorrow for another financial market reviews.